Today we're showing you a 2008 John Deere 5403 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 522 quick attach front loader. The tractor has just over 1,800 hours on it. It is a one-owner local tractor. Fella bought a tractor with a cab on it, so he no longer had need for this tractor. It's got the John Deere style quick attach. Bucket's in nice shape. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. It's got the front and rear LED work lights. Canopy goes with it. Brand new front radial tires on it. Mid joystick for the loader. Rear tires are in nice shape. 540 PTO, rear hydraulic outlet back here. And again, it does have the two rear LED work lights. See where the roll bar pins scuffed the fender there. Does have the toolbox. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Tractor's been stored inside when not in use. .8 hours on it currently. 3 gears and reverse to the far right there. 3 ranges here to the left. Gives you a total of 9 speeds. 4-wheel drive and PTO lever here beside the seat. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions, please contact us.